Hi, it's Danny. Welcome to this short video, staying on the feet and ankles. Feel free to join in, but let's just take a light calf stretch. You may or may not be tight here, but if this is an area that for you gets a bit short, gets a bit tight, gets a bit achy, some light moving stretching in your day can really help. Call these snack stretches. Rather than taking a cookie every few hours, you take a light stretch. And if there's any pause, it may be 1.5 seconds to 2 seconds. So just lower the heel, check the back foot's pretty straight, back knee's pretty straight, then release. If there's no stretch, go back a little further. If it's a strong stretch, you're starting and you're going too far, especially initially, coming closer. Okay, that's it, let's change over. So lengthen the back of that lower leg, gently straighten the knee, release. You can push into a wall here, freestanding's fine, a little push into that same hand. You can rotate your chest bone to the lead leg. That hip joint is turning in slightly, that calf gets stretched, you're leaning in, relaxed vision, relaxed posture. Remember there's only a short pause as you hold, and as your muscles and tendons and nerves and fascia and other connective tissues adapt, you gradually nudge a little further back with each stretch. Should always feel comfortable. Stretching is about relaxing the body, calming the nervous system. Very different to strength training and interval training and martial arts, where you're actually challenging the body in quite a dynamic way. Different approach, just tease those muscle fibers out. So at some point in your day, get yourself up, add some light calf stretches. Okay, thanks for watching.